Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech, day number 37 of Power BI DAX functions. Today in this video we are going to deal with the yet another function in text functions. If you're watching our channel for the first time and if you don't know what we have discussed in 36 days of earlier Power BI DAX function series, not to worry, we have provided the complete playlist description in our description box, and you can go ahead and you can watch it by clicking on that particular link. And moreover, we are also providing our written scripted explanation for each and every DAX functions in our blog page. You can go ahead and visit it whenever you have time based on your convenience. Let's start with the today's function. So in text DAX functions series, today we are going to deal with the concatenate function. What is this concatenate function? How it is used? How we are going to deploy it in day-to-day life? We are going to see this in our video. So I'm going to create a new column equal to concatenate. You can see it is saying text1 and text2. The syntax for the concatenate is you have to give text1 and text2 as an input. The explanation for this particular concatenate, it joins the two text strings into one text strings. Let's say I'm going to give it as Gokul and comma tech. So let's hit enter, put this value over here, and you can say Gokul and tech. The Gokul tech is joined together. So you can see our Google and text. So our channel name is displayed over here. This is how this concatenate function works. So how we are going to deploy it in our day-to-day life is like, let's say if you are taking our data set, any data set, and if you have any two strings to be combined, let's say if you have an employee name which is having first name and second name of an employee, so you just want to concatenate those things, you can create a column and you can give the formula so that it automatically combine both the columns and give you the end result as mixing of both first name and the last name. Hope you have understood this video clearly. If you have any doubt in this video, please post your queries in the comment box. We will try to assist you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.